I'm Joe with Quality Machine and Automation. And today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our Makino Horizontal Machining Center and the benefits of you machining your parts on a machine like this. The first thing about horizontals is the pallet changer. While something's being machined in here, I can be on the other side loading parts or setting up on another job. And once I'm set up on that, I can be switching back and forth and doing two jobs at the same time. So you're completely eliminating load time on this, which is huge. The second thing is this is a Makino and it's a big horizontal. It's a very well-built machine and it's big, it's rigid, which means your parts are going to be done right and they're going to be done quickly. Another advantage to this machine is chip evacuation. When we're doing these massive parts, we have to get these chips out of the machine. At the bottom, there's what's called a coolant river. So as the chip falls, it's getting out of the machine onto the conveyor very quickly. Plus, it's a horizontal, which means your part is horizontal to the ground opposed to vertical. So you don't have any chips sitting in pockets, they're just getting out of the machine as quickly as possible. So if you want to get your parts done on this machine, call us today. And if you're a first-time customer, I can get you half off on all labor.